Now we're going to discuss pips. Pip stands for percentage in point and is the smallest price movement of a currency pair price quote. Currencies paired to the US dollar are quoted to the 4th decimal place. Currencies paired to the Japanese yen are quoted to the 2nd decimal place. An example of a price quote for the Australian dollar to the US dollar would be 0.7245. One pip movement up from 0.7245 would be 0.7246, 0.7247, 0.7248 and so on. One pip movement down from 0.7245 would be 0.7244, 0.7243, 0.7242 and so on. An example of a price quote for the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen would be 83.45. One pip movement up from 83.45 would be 83.46, 83.47, 83.48 and so on. One pip movement down from 83.45 would be 83.44, 83.43, 83.42 and so on. In recent times, price quotes have changed and the next decimal place is now quoted. The extra decimal place is known as a fractional pip or 1/10 of a pip price movement. The small number shown on the price quote is the 1/10 of a pip. Okay, so it's essential that you do understand what a pip is. So make sure you review this before moving on to the next topic.